Hi friends, can you differentiate between these two words? STATIONARY and ERY. Stationary. Actually they are homophones. There is same pronunciation but different spelling and meaning. Homophones. There are many words like that. For example, THIR and THRE. There. TWO 2 and TOO 2. Yes, they're all homophones. Now, what is meant by STATIONARY? Stationary. It stands for immovable things or something unchanging or constant. Whereas STATIONERY stands for writing materials like envelopes, office materials, etc. Stationery. Thank you.